What's up, guys? Bryce and Michael here, and I'm teaming up with my son, Brayden Games 959 from YouTube. Say what's up, Brayden James.
What's up, guys?
And we're going to be making you guys a pretty sweet video today, and it's going to be on my channel, and it's going to be on his channel, but it's going to be free on his channel because he can't monetize his videos yet, so he needs more subscribers. So anybody that's a subscriber of mine, head over to his channel and subscribe so he can start making money on some of his videos that he's making, because he's going to be making a whole bunch of 3D videos here very soon. And I'm trying to help him out. So, if you're watching on mine, it's going to be monetized. It's not going to be free, but you can go over his and watch it on his, and it's going to be changed up just a little bit. There's going to be a little bit of things put in these videos that's a little bit different, and we might even start getting to a point where we do like little giveaways and stuff, but I'm going to be doing them on his channel. That way you can watch it without having to look at the ads and stuff before you watch it. Brayden, you want to say anything before we scan you?
This print is going to be awesome, guys.
So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using the Generation 1 Xbox 360 Kinect, and we're going to be running the Generation 1 Xbox 360 Kinect to the computer, which the computer doesn't have a great CPU, but it's going to work anyways, and it's going to be going into a program that's called Kinect. You said it. Say it again.
Kinect.
Kinect. Say it one more time.
Kinect.
And then we're going to be scanning him all the way around. We've got the 3D printers, or we've got the scanner set right up here on a roll of filament, so it's right at eye level with him. We've got him in this little swivel chair so we can turn him around and around and around in circles, and the Kinect can stay in one spot the entire time and get a really good scan. And he's going to stay here and hold a pose, strike a pose. That's the pose he's going to be. No, he's not going to be dapping, because that would be way too hard to hold up, wouldn't it? Are you just going to smile? Let's get a good smile going. So anyways, we're going to spin him around and around and around on a swivel chair. And as he spins around on a swivel chair, the Kinect's going to take thousands of pictures. And it's going to create this 360 picture all around his head with just snap going all around his head. And then when we get done, we're going to push a stop, and all those pictures are going to be combined all together to make a 3D model. And we're going to walk you through the entire process. We're going to start right here with setting up Kinect. So Brayden's going to take it away from here on out, and I'm going to work the computer. Brayden, you ready?
Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys, because this is going to be one of the latest channels. Whenever I get older, it's going to be a lit channel, and I'm probably going to have millions of subscribers, but make sure you smash that subscribe button for all the stuff I do, because I'm going to do some pretty dope stuff.
Pretty dope stuff. Okay, it looks like the battery on our camera is kind of running down a little bit, so we're going to just run that until it runs down. So we've got the PC screen recorder going right now, and you can see this Kinect program right here. Up here in the corner, it says that our Kinect is connected. That's kind of hard to do. And we're going to set this at 1 by 1 by 1 because that puts about a 3-foot square room around you. We're going to go to our settings here, and we're going to put that in high, new, start. And you can see Brayden right here. Say hi, Brayden. Wave at the camera. Wave at the Kinect. Wave at the Kinect. Say hi.
Hi.
Do a dap. Boom. Got it. All right, strike the pose. You're going to strike. We're going to hit record, and I'm going to start spinning you around in circles. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. 1, 2. Are your cheeks going to hurt? Make sure that you do this whole thing and get your cheeks all worked out so you can hold a smile. It's not going to hurt you for too long, because I did a smile yesterday, and I'll show you guys my 3D scan right here, and my face was hurting like crazy whenever I got done. So make sure that you wiggle your face around. Wiggle your face around. Do it some more. Do it some more. Make a fish face.
I'm too smiley right now.
Okay. Going up here to the start button, I'm going to push record. 2, 1, and it's going. And we're gonna start spinning Brayden around and around and around he goes. Now this takes a little bit, so we're gonna speed this up. Gonna speed all the way through it. We got him all scanned, he's 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 scanned.
You technically
I was
tortured
drooling. I started drooling.
You technically tortured me doing that because I don't think so.
So now you guys can see on the video screen that it is processing. And here pretty soon when it gets done processing, it'll pop up with a white 3D model of Brayden. Now, Brayden has a little bit of trouble holding still. Being an adult, I can hold still for a long time. I know how to hold myself there. But Brayden has a little bit of trouble holding still. He's a little bit more active, a little bit more hyper than I am. So I'm hoping this is about the third or fourth time that we've tried to scan him. We've already scanned him once. Where's your 3D scan? This is Brayden's 3D scan from before, and you guys can see that there's not much detail in his face. And that's because you can see right here on the side there's a little bit of cleanup that I had to do right there. And that's because whenever he was moving around, what happens when you're moving around, you've got an object in front of you and you're coming down, you see objects that you like, and as your eyes focus on it, you kind of turn your head while you're going, and then you've got to catch your head back up, and so it kind of spaces your face out a little bit more, and it's taking pictures the entire time of it. So it's taking pictures of you turn like this and like this and like this, where your head kind of rotates along while you keep your eyes on it. I told my wife when she was doing hers to just close her eyes, that way she doesn't focus on anything. She can hold her face completely still the entire time when you're going around in circles and going around in circles and going around in circles. Because as you're going around, you look at things, and while you look at things, you don't realize, but your face kind of does this whole thing. And so, when it takes thousands of pictures and it tries to stitch all those pictures together, it doesn't know what to do with those fill-in spots, and it puts all these little tags and stuff all over you that have to be cleaned up later. This is your video! Say something! Here, you want this?
So this didn't come out as how I looked, and I don't remember what shirt I was wearing. But as you can see, it looks nothing like me. And
hi, I'm Brayden's mom. Hi, I'm Brayden's dad. How are you doing? I'm doing good.
Dad, see, this is one of mom. As you can see, this is one of dad. As you can see,
This is the first one here.
This is the first one of dad. It kind of looks like him. This is the second one of dad. It looks a lot like
This is the
him.
last one.
This looks a lot like him because you can actually see the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. It looks better.
A big bang something old. I'm not afraid to tackle something that's a little more complicated.
Yeah, I love that.
Little old houses are disappearing.
Right. This is staying on your face.
Oh, there he is! He has showed up. This is his 3D model here. So, let's turn this around.
Let's go check it out.
I'm gonna show him on camera.
Oh, I've got it. I've got the screen recording.
Oh.
So, it's actually pretty good.
The top.
I know, it's got to get cleaned up, but it still looks pretty good. So the only problem with this is because of the moving around a little bit, he's got some lines that are all in here.
That's my house.
So what we're going to do is we're going to reconstruct, and we did this in high, so this shouldn't make any difference. So you don't have to do it again today. We're going to run this in high. Shouldn't make any difference at all, like I said. We're just going to rerun it just to make sure that it fills in any gaps or anything that we need to fill. You can see over here, it just looks like so good. And this is after everything's been kind of stitched together and stitched in. So we're going to go ahead and push stop on the screen recorder, and we're going to skip to when this gets done. And then I'm going to kind of edit it down, and we'll print this off. This is kind of all we're going to show you for this video. I'm not going to show you guys the editing process. I use the Mesh Mixer to edit it. I might show you guys the Kira. I'm not sure once I get it into
Don't
Kira.
fall,
After
don't
I
fall.
get,
Camera,
yeah, I'll
don't
show you
fall,
guys the
don't fall.
Kira. After I
Camera,
get it
don't
all
fall.
done
Camera.
editing, I'll show you guys in Kira and show you guys kind of what it looks like and stuff. So, Braydens, this is the end of your video. Take it away. Do whatever you want to.
Bye everyone, and make sure you smash the subscribe button and you comment down below what you want to see me do next video. Goodbye.
Also, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Don't give it a thumbs down. Hit that subscribe.
I might play
Say
another.
this is a subscribe button. Tap.
Make sure you hit that. There's gonna be a subscribe button right here.
And then smash! This is Braydens print in Kira. I've done some editing. It's a lot better than his last one, but he did move around a little bit, so there was some spots right over here on this side that I couldn't get cleaned up that well. This side looks really, really good, but I just could not fix this side good enough. So we're going to go ahead and print it off for you guys so we can end this video showing you guys what this print looks like, but this looks a ton better than the last one. Here we go. We're going to save this off and throw it in the printer. Check it out.
So this is it. This is the one that I did today. We're working on another one, and still, this one's better than this one, but I have a feeling that the third one's going to be way better than this one. We're going to be putting more stuff on this channel, so make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and smack my face so it hurts. Bye, everyone.